Hello and welcome to my channel and my new video. And if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. So thank you. Over here I have the Casio A158 and I'm going to show you how to set the time and date. So let's get started. Before setting the time and date, I'm going to quickly show you how to shuffle between 12 or 24-hour time format. That is done by pressing this button over here whilst in the standard timekeeping mode. And you can see that I'm shuffling between 24-hour time format indicated on the digital display, and in this case it's showing the PM, which is 12-hour time format, so it's 23 o'clock at night. Next up, let's enter the setting menu for our watch. Whilst in the standard timekeeping mode, press the mode button once, twice, 3 times, and when the seconds begin to flash, that means that you are in the position of setting your watch. In this case, first in a row of settings is setting our seconds value. Now you cannot set the exact value of seconds. What you can do is reset that value by simply pressing this button over here and it will go to 0. Next up, press the upper left button and the hours begin to flash. So to change the hour value, press the lower right button and you can see that I'm shuffling hour value. Pressing it and holding it will engage fast rotation, and once you release it, it will stop. So it is 23 o'clock. Next up, press the upper left button and the minutes begin to flash. Now we are in the position of setting our minutes value. Press the again lower right button and you can see that I'm shuffling my minutes value. Press and hold it to engage the fast rotation until I get it to my desired value. It is 33 minutes. And there it is. Once I'm done with minutes, I'm gonna press the upper left button and we are now in the position of setting our month value. Number 11 corresponds to November, but in case you need to change it, you can press this button until you get to the month that you are in. Once you're done, again press the upper left button and we are in the position of setting our date. Pressing the lower right button, you are shuffling between date value, and pressing and holding it will engage fast rotation of numerals. Once you are done with your date, press the upper left one and you are in the position of setting your day. Pressing this button shuffles between the days in English, and you can set your watch to the corresponding day value. Once done, press the upper left button. We are back at the beginning and setting our seconds value, which means that we have ran through the cycle of setting our time and date. To implement the settings, simply press the mode button, seconds stopped flashing, and you have now set your watch. And with that, we have set our time and date. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. Thank you.